Phakelo Mthakathi was doing his normal speeches and he said that the 30th of June is not the final date. They are going to extend it to the 4th of November, which is the date of the local elections. He's saying if the 30th of June they do not get rid of all illegal immigrants, they will have no choice but to extend it to the 4th of November, meaning that the marches will continue.
Ngingaphathekile abaphelile ukusebenza umhla ka-30 June akuwona ilanga lesigameko akuzukufa umuntu aweza ukuphela amamashi siyothi sisuka nje sibe sithi u-deadline umhla ka-4 November lona ukhetho ukuze abantu bezosilalela sibatsheshe ngokhetho siyobe simashi i-South Africa yonke uma kuze kushaya umhla ka-30 amakwelekwele engaphumile kuleli zwe ngomhla ka-4 November siyobe simashi izwe lonke.
And yeah, obviously, the 30th of June, the date, man, is too soon. As a matter of fact, it's very difficult to get rid of illegal immigrants. It's not really that easy, especially if you can't check people's IDs, especially if you are not the government, because Abu Phakelo Mthakathi, they are just normal civilians. They don't even have the right to check people's IDs. So how can they know or have the capabilities of getting rid of illegal immigrants while they don't have the capability of knowing who is an illegal immigrant, who's legal? They don't even have scanners to scan people's IDs. They don't have the expertise to check people's IDs. You get what I mean? Everything is against them. So it's not really surprising that they're extending the date to the 4th of November. As a matter of fact, I would say they can extend the date towards their lifetime. They can say 2050. Like it will be very impossible to get rid of illegal immigrants if you don't have the authority to get rid of illegal immigrants.
Asilwe namuntu sithi nje uhulumeni akasilalele akavala imingcele akalungisa into yakwa Home Affairs akalungisa indaba yemisebenzi njengoba amadoda engaka kuphakathi nezinsuku engasebenzi uhulumeni akalungisa imisebenzi njengoba odadewethu bengaka abanye osisi lapha abaphethe imizi kodwa abasebenzi abantu babhizi bantshontsha imali eParliament ngifike thina bafowethu imhla ka-30 inkandla ifuna iqhubeka iphile benje siphinde siqale.
So obviously the best thing to do, Abu Phakelo Mthakathi, they need to work with the government and Home Affairs, border authority. That is their best option. Individually, independently, yeah, man, I would say it's going to be impossible to get rid of illegal immigrants. As many people have said, these guys need to go through the legal route, which is organizing these marches and having the police, the Home Affairs, everyone who is involved in actually checking people's IDs, and that will be more effective than anything. Because right now,